Howdy guys, and welcome back to GEO Lab. I just wanted to make a quick Loom video to go over like the recent posts. I know a lot of people don't like to read, so just wanted to make a brief overview of what we're now doing since we just shifted our strategy towards the beginning of the new year. If you didn't see that post, this is the video for you. So just to recap, what I've been doing and what we switched up on was really going to be kind of the new way we're going to be experimenting within this community. So basically, what we were previously doing, Kyle, who's the other owner of this community, and I have been working on basically integrating SEO and GEO into existing businesses and trying to test the results. But we found it was really slow. It took a lot of time, and it would be a long time before we actually started seeing results. And it would only be one, case study. What we're wanting to do is get a lot of case studies because GEO just isn't understood well enough at this point to really know exactly what's working and what's not. There's research out there that we've been using to kind of back our claims, but really we wanted to do testing for ourselves just to make sure what we're actually implementing is working. So we shifted the strategy towards the beginning of the year to do something different, and that's going to be generating AI reports to give to existing business owners, and with a list of recommendations that they can make for their own businesses, implement them, and then hopefully come back to our community and report their findings, whether that's, they got more leads, they got more AI visibility. And then we can also use the tools that we have, Cal and I have, to try and establish what changes were actually made as far as performance goes when it comes to AI. So this is an example of the first one that we did. We just finished our first AI report, which is really exciting for us. There's a member of this community. Her name is Sarah. We went through and audited her business. She has a handyman business. I made a separate video going in depth on this entire AI report thing. If you want to go watch that, I'll take you through each page and kind of show you what we did and what we didn't, and the improvements and why we did them. So feel free to go check that video out. I'll leave a link in this post to that post as well. But yeah, basically it's a summary of all the improvements that we suggest making. We copied all of the copy on our website and then put it into a Google document. That way she can literally just copy and paste that into our website. Then hopefully in a few months she'll come back and say, hey, this was really good for my business. This is what worked. Or even if it was like, hey, this didn't work, at least we know so that we can update our offering and change some things. Because ultimately what we want to be doing is making recommendations that are actually working and leading to more leads for businesses. So that's just a quick update about what we're doing. It's really exciting. Kyle and I are really excited about it. We have 4 people who are already kind of in line to get their reports done. Sarah was one of them, so there's 3 left. And then ultimately we're going to be trying to get more of these done. And then I also have a series going on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts where I'm publicly is like in a social setting going through and talking about all these reports and how I'm trying to make $100,000 in 2026 doing these reports for people while we also gather data on what's working and what's not. So feel free to go check that one out as well. I'll leave a link to that first video that I posted down below for Sarah's business. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below, and we'll see you in the next post.